to be spookified. This is midnight. This is midnight. This is Midnight Terrors. This is a game, isn't it gonna be spooky? It's not really good. Spooky, horror, scary. Baby boo. It's midnight. Or not. Don't matter. See, look, that's scary. It's blood. Shaking in the boots. Oh shit, the zombies in there already. Don't shoot a knife. Well, that's already scary. Huh? Yeah. And also it saves ammo. Well, see that? That's already scary. There's a dead bus out there. It's dead. It's dead man in the bus. Collect all the parts, I remember that. I haven't played this in a while. Hi. Joe's knife will kill him. I don't like zombies, they scare me. Fucking bullshit! I'm not sure it goes. Add part. Apparently, just cranking your fingers together makes a ladder. Now I can climb on top of this bus. George, look at me. Look at me, where are you? Where'd you go? Oh shit, you're inside still, sorry. Quick, George, in here. Or outside. Let's just get. Oh my god! I don't like zombies. Is there a lot of Zambambos? Headshot. Headshot. Headshots. Man, stuff. Oh, insta kill. Look at me. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're a lady. What? All night long, I wanna get close to you. Alright. Be the first girl I ever see. Joseph and George's magical singing troupe. Buy tickets now. Oh my absolute god. Be so. Oh no, I got some Zambambos. Got a ladder. So I hope you like a ladder too. Oh, I found a free way. Hold on, you got a lot of Zambambos over there. These guys take 2 knives. Back. Max ammo! But, you know, two points. Or as I like to call it, double points. Okay. I'm gonna do a window up. Did you get one? Get one off the table. And now we have a lot of points. Now we have duck. Sure, duck. Man stuff. Oh, he's not dead. He's not dead though. Right. Bye.